Welcome to Regency Glass, where the difference is clear. The process of toughening or tempering glass is done to make it stronger and less likely to break. This makes it a safety glass, as it breaks into tiny pieces, reducing injury. Once the glass is cut to the right size, the sharp edges are then removed. This is also known as arrasing. The glass is washed and dried to remove any contamination that could be burned into the glass during the toughening process. Clean glass is essential to maintain the highest quality of toughened glass. The glass gets loaded onto the furnace bed in a specific order to help evenly distribute the heat around the furnace, as well as maximize energy efficiency. It is then heated up to a high temperature of around 675 degrees Celsius for a period of time ranging between 3 and 10 minutes. The exact temperature and time it needs to be heated will vary based on many factors, which include, but are not limited to, glass type and thickness. After heating, the glass is rapidly cooled down with jets of cold air. This is the tempering process. This can make the glass up to 5 times stronger than before the process, which means it is now better suited for doors and low-level glazing. In short, the process of toughening or tempering glass is done by heating the glass up and then cooling it down quickly. For more information on toughened glass, please feel free to contact Regency Glass or your local window supplier.